Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can recover your Valorant account without an email, right? So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to Valorant support and press probably the first option is that says Valorant support, right? And then you will be redirected to another page here. We need to wait for a few seconds to this page, and here you need to press on account recovery. And then again, we need to wait for a few seconds, and then you need to fill out all the information that you need. So put your username, and then put the region that you're playing, and then you need to fill out the sign up email that you don't have access, and make sure that do you have access to this email. Press no, and then you need to put recovered email, where you get all the details of your account that you don't have an email. And also you need to put all this known email, right? So as they say, if applicable, what's the oldest sign up email used with this account that you can remember, and put the email here. And also make sure to do you have access to this email, make sure to do no, and then press recover, right? And Valorant support will contact you as soon as possible with the information that you need to get basically your account back. So that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.